All right, hey everyone. I know that you all have had a lot of questions about how the interactive worksheets work, so we're just going to take a quick second and look at that. So the first thing I'm going to do is zoom in just this part right here because it's like, as you can see, it's kind of tiny. You can't read some of it. Easy solution, you can either hit the 100%, that'll make things bigger, or you can just click the magnifying glass and it will zoom things in. If you do that, make sure you remember to click the select tool, otherwise it will just keep zooming in and you don't want it to do that. So I'm going to go ahead and set it right back to 100. I'm going to scroll over and get this part back in focus. So I'm going to ask you to do some things with Google Slides you've never done before, or you probably have done and it's been a while. So I'm just going to walk you through what this worksheet looks like. So first off, I'm just going to zoom back out again real fast. So if you notice, there's a few blue boxes and a few gray boxes on here. Anywhere you see those colors, that means I have something there that you need to do. So even if you haven't taken a second to read the directions, that should tell you pretty quickly that there is something I need you to work on. So the first thing we're going to do is look up here at the top where it says what I prefer to be called. So if you have like a nickname or you don't like being called by your first name or whatever, all you're going to do is take your mouse, double click on the box, and type your name in. Super simple. For this one, it says fill in this circle with your favorite color. Again, you want to click on it once, and then you want to look for the paint can, which is over here. And all you have to do to fill the circle in with your favorite color is to click on the paint can and select a color, and it will change it to whatever color you select. My favorite color happens to be like this bright shade of purple. I really like that one, so I'm going to leave it like that. Okay. Another text box you'll see is my birthday is. Click on it. My birthday is August 20th, 1992. Super simple. And the last text box are these two down here. My favorite snack or treat is, I like bugles. Those are fun. And down here, if there's any, like, I have a peanut allergy. I really don't have a peanut allergy, but I'm just using that as an example. Things that you think it's important for me to know. On the version of this that you have, there's another box that says my favorite book is, but the directions for that are the same as this. So we'll just walk through this real fast. So this part says insert a picture of your favorite movie here. There's a simple way to do this. You want to hit this button that says insert image. The first way you can do this is to search the web for an image. So if you know me, you know one of my favorite movies is Harry Potter. We will go with Harry Potter and the Sorcerer's Stone. All right. So I can click on this right here because that's a picture of that particular book, and then I'll hit insert, and what it's going to do is just generate a copy of that picture in here, and all you have to do is move it to the box where it's supposed to go, like that, and that's all done. The second way you can do this is to go to a Google image search. So let's say you didn't like any of the results that you got from using the search the web option. Here's another option. So if you look, I got a lot more choices for Harry Potter and the Sorcerer's Stone. The way you would insert this picture is we're going to do this by a URL. So you'll click on this, right click this, then you want to go down to where it says copy image address. You want to copy image address. You don't want to copy the image link or any of these other copy options. Copy image address. Click that. Then come over here, click the image button, come down to where it says by URL. So you'll click that, paste your link into the thing. It'll think for a second if you are on a school Chromebook, but if you have pretty good internet connection, it should pop up right away. If you get a picture, you are successful. If it gives you an error message, find a new picture. Hit insert, and it's going to do the same thing. So right down here, it put a copy of Harry Potter and the Sorcerer's Stone. Just drop it into place wherever you need it to be. This again is a text box, and then the last thing you need to do is select your learning style. So it says move the circle over the option that best fits you. All you have to do is click on the circle, and once the little crosshatch appears, move it to your learning style. So my learning style happens to be reading and writing. I learn best when I actually have to do things or when I can watch somebody else do it and work along with them. So that's kind of why I made this video for you guys. So that should walk you through how to do the autobiography fact sheet. If you have any questions, just shoot me an email or leave a comment on the assignment.